I've seen the news that the Goa cabinet has approved an anti-conversion bill which will be tabled on the floor of the Goa Legislative Assembly this session. I'm not surprised to see that this bill was being introduced, because if you watch the pattern of the government headed by Dr. Pramod Sawant was very categorical each time to try to claim that there were conversions going on in the state. When asked the question, what is the statistics of the conversion cases, 3 cases were cited, one of which was closed by the department, by the police, and other 2 were quashed by the High Court. So there was absolutely no real case of conversion. That means these cases were just bogies. These were cases which I would use the word false cases. And in such a situation, when we don't have instances of any religious conversion in the state, what is the necessity of bringing such a law? Goa is known to be a peaceful state. Goa has been known to be a state enjoying communal harmony. Goa is known to be a state where we have lived without making differences between a person of one religion to the person of another religion. And it is for this peculiar and special reason that many people love to come to Goa and even settle in Goa. The question now is, why is the BJP trying to divide people and try to create a line of a communal hatred to foster kind of allegations, to put people behind bars and to probably not use the word prosecute, persecute people and harass people? I don't think we have instances of certain allegations the way they go on in the rest of India about the alleged conversions. And even I've seen very many cases which have been quashed by the High Court in other states. But I don't want to go into those cases because each would depend on the facts of each case. But at least in Goa, we are about to go in for election. Is the BJP losing its plot? Is the BJP losing the elections? And that is why they want to now whip up this communal tension in the state to try to garner votes. We will floor this bill when it is tabled on the floor of the House, and we will, once we see it, we will examine section by section, clause by clause, each of the provisions, and we will definitely oppose this bill because it is not a bill which is necessary even in public interest or for the interest of Goa. Goa has always been peaceful. Goa should remain peaceful. Elements like this will seek to finish Goa, and we need to get rid of such kind of people who want to finish Goa.